Hello! So today we are preparing for a portrait session with a client. We will be using the Fujifilm 16 to 55. We have a bit of an overcast day today. I will try to use natural light because actually with black and white you don't want flash or harsh light, and I don't really like to work with flash anyway. I rather use the natural light, so we have really a soft light in the face of the client. So I'm going to shoot here with my X-T4, with Fujifilm X-T4. I'm filming there on the H6S. I know the H6S is a very fast camera, but it's a loner, and I know the X-T4 very well, and I can move a bit quicker like this. It was always important when you do client work to use the camera that you know the most, and that one is my workhorse camera. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm on a tripod because it's a bit dark. So what I'm doing now is I'm preparing the set. This is my own Makefish studio because what I do. This is my office over there. I just closed this. Yeah. I have this one, a collapsible backdrop, which is good because it's goes straight to my door like this. And I have some reflector if I need more light. I'll do this. So usually what I do, I try to prepare before the client arrives with all the poses I want to give them, the light, how the light is gonna render. So I train on myself with self-portrait. Then when she's here, it's gonna be very fast, boom, boom, boom. No wasting time, nothing. So here, so my face is here like this. I put this reference here because it's a self-portrait, so I can actually know, oh, my face is here. This is the point where I need to stand. There we go. And the camera is just here below me. It's looking up at me. I'm gonna record that so you can see what I'm talking about. Now I can see zebra in my face, so it shows that my face is well exposed. But now I can see that when I will take the photo, that this side of my face, of my client face, obviously, will be very well exposed. And then I'm gonna move to 85. I do 50 or 85, but you really just want headshot, some sexy headshot. But if you have a small apartment, that's why this lens is very good, because at 50 millimeters you can come a bit closer, or you can do 75. And you have this option with this lens because it goes from 16 to 55. In the equivalent is full frame is 24 to 86, something like that. So here I can see the composition, and I can see how much further I can go. But some apartments are very tiny, so you have to come a bit closer. So that's the versatility of this lens. So that's what I like about it. And the light 2.8 is quite bright. And to be honest, to shoot a portrait, you shouldn't really go below 3.7. Let's go. I can see that the composition is good. The lighting is good. I got good side light here. When I tell her to move like this pose, it will be well exposed, and then will be well exposed. So we're good. Change the position of your camera to portrait. But because I'm doing a self-portrait, I'm gonna have to use the timer, of course. Here I'm doing continuous because obviously I want to see what I'm doing. But when the client is here, it's gonna be just one shot. Maybe 2-second timer because this still can be some vibration. If the light is not ideal, we use 2-second timer, otherwise no. ISO, please go to the lowest as you can, because it's always better to recover the shadows in post. My shutter is at 125. And the good thing with this X-T4, the flippy screen, I know a lot of people don't like the flippy screen, but I can flip it all the way and see what I'm doing. As I see that we are a bit on the darker side, I'm gonna move closer to the windows, closer to the light source, so more light comes into the lens. 2.8 ISO 200. Yes, much better on the light. Yeah, much better on the light. So let's take a shot. The closer the camera, the better the lighting. So the reflection, let's use the reflector, otherwise my shadows are too dark. Another trick that we can try if it's too dark I'm gonna bring in another light. It will look like it's coming from the window. Gaff tape, always an important item to have in your house. Yeah. There we go. At 55. Ah yes, the light is much better there. So, first of the mood board here, a Milanote. I'm gonna show screen sharing. So the Milanote, so we're going for this film. It's gonna tell you what pose we're using. And the good thing with this backdrop, I can move it to white side as well. If I still think that it's too dark, at some point I'll probably switch it around and we'll use the white side of the backdrop. But I prefer dark side because it gives more of a moody look for the black and white picture. And this is what the client asked for, so we have to try to make it work like this. So, first scene, the look of her shoulder, like this. And then she looks at the camera, and I want the light just in one part of the face. So like this, there we go. And then the face on pose, like that, and you know, maybe a bit sexy, you know, like, yeah, you know, let's do it. And then this is the one where she can play with their hands. I like clients, it's good for female like to play with their hands, like, I don't know how I look like, maybe the light here. Ah, yes, you know, that I can tell. So now I know that I want her to face the light because I want her face to be kind of predominant. The finger. Eye to the side, oh, tilt to the side is also a good one. Tilt your head to the side. And then the moody shot, in a bad mood, like this. But obviously she's not gonna be in a bad mood because she wants sexy, like rah, rah. I don't know what is a sexy pose, like ah. Anyway, you can also bring a chair. Always have props. You know, all these props that you don't need like a big studio, you just need your house. And a window. I like this one. Lean on something, like this. And actually here, because it's a self-portrait, I will go at 50, so I can show you. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice one. Oh, I'm pretty proud of this one. Good one, guys. Like on the chair, like this. I should probably now using the app, but I don't have time to set it up. I have the timer on, it's fine. Like this. Yes. Like this. Slouching down on the chair, you know, with your hands like this. And then she lies, yeah. Another one that I want, lights on, like this, and then like this. Thinking, looking ahead, looking away. You can do at 85. I think that's a good pose for 50 when you're on the chair. With the hands, and then you're like this. You can also look at the camera with your head tilted. There we go. So, you know, we have like some example of poses. And another advice that I can give for headshots. The famous Peter Hurley. If you want to be a headshot photographer, watch Peter Hurley. He gives the best advice. So he's like, oh, squint and smirk. It's so funny. I'm so bad at this, but it's fine. I need to be a bit higher. Yeah, the closer to the window actually is better because there it's too dark. Chin up, like really lean forward the camera. Stand up, like relax, like you're talking to your friends and everything. Like chin up, there we go. Squint and smile. And always try your client to not stay straight. I think straight on is fine. Better to like get some depth into your picture. And the smile, tell them not to do a big smile, just like a smirk. So yeah, that's it. So preparation done, and then we will roll back into when the client is here so you can see a bit how I'm directing it. And back and everything, yeah. Look at me, look at back. backlight. Yeah, there. Yeah, do something with your hands in your face. Yeah, that's also going quite good. Like that. That's cool. Look here. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yes. Right. I like that preparation there. A smirk, a little smirk. Less. Try to do like a U with your mouth. Slouch a bit more, like come towards me. Yes, I like that. You're lying down. I like that, very relaxed. Then more towards me, yeah. Open your eyes, yeah. Yes, that is really sexy. Yes. Look away. And then look at me like I just bothered you. Oh, that's nice. I love it with the jacket. I'm going headshot more. There we go. We are done. It was so much fun. Thanks for watching. Thanks Fujifilm for sending me this lens to try. It's really fun. I think it's definitely a good lens to use because I was like always switching between 50 and 85, between 35 and 55 in terms of Fuji language. I was always switching between the two. So perfect in this like such a small environment. I don't have a big studio, you know. And the light was perfect. It was fine to shoot at 2.8. I was also sometimes at 3.6 just to make sure. Like I would advise like do a set at a wider aperture and then close it a bit because if you want background blur, you can do it on post as well. I love the shoot here by the window. That was actually amazing. The light improved a bit compared to when I was training. So I actually managed to get what I needed from her. So I say we don't have the same skin color. She had lighter skin, so it was a bit better to manage that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired you to take this kind of shoot. I usually do travel photography, but sometimes I do also portrait because that's what that pays. So it's good. It's good trend. Good to know. Good lens to travel with as well. I will be obviously doing more travel vlogs with this lens and show it more versatile also for traveling. So if you want to see them, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching and live inspired. See you in the next video. Bye!